I want you guys to pay attention here. Okay, this is a freelancing website, guys, where people using some simple tools, free tools, they are earning good amount of money. You can see, guys, $40 he's getting per person, and he has already offered 783 services to person. Okay, if I can calculate, guys, how much it is, 40 into 783. Okay, so how much it is? $31,000. So how these persons are offering them job? You can see $200 to 199, approximately, guys, $40,000 he is earning from this website. How people are actually earning this amount of money? Just watch along this video, guys. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn good amount of money by just offering your services step by step. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your services over this platform. Guys, this is a freelancing website, all new thing. And guys, if you do not know how to offer our services, if you do not have any skill, don't worry guys, I will show you a simple tool which will give you more insight that how I myself, without having any skill, without having any knowledge, can offer my services and earn a good amount of money on this website. Okay, so what do I need to do, guys? First of all, guys, you should remember that that you can do anything. Okay, and believe or not, guys, in this website there are less audience. Okay, less audience, so and more clients. Okay, so there is a great possibility that, guys, you are getting the job. And what maximum job that you can gather on this website is this, guys, SEO. Okay, this SEO service that you can offer. And guys, if you do not know SEO service, don't worry guys, don't worry. I'll show you how you can do it on your own by just following some simple steps. Okay, so if I just take an example of this person, guys, okay, this person, how much he has offered. So for that, guys, I just need to first sign in. Okay, so I just show you step by step how to sign in and how to get the job, how to post your job on this platform. Okay, so you just come up here and just click on this start selling. Okay, just click on this start selling, and what you need to do, guys, you just need to enter your username, email ID, password, and both type of things. And this, I'm not a robot. Okay, so I quickly do it. So I have get my email ID, enter my email ID and my password 2 times, and just click on this, guys, sign up button. Okay, so it will quickly do it. So you can see, guys, I have entered my email ID, and I just need to do what, if I want to post it, I just come up here and just click on this start selling. Okay, so before that, guys, I just need to first confirm my email address. Okay, so I just come up on my email address, you can see, and just refresh it, and you can see, guys, this is a confirmation link that is sent on my link, you can see. Okay, I just need to click on this email verification. Just click on this email verification, and yes, I successfully do it. Okay, just another thing on my account settings. Okay, just come up on my account settings, and what do I need to do, guys? Before we can post any job, I just wanna recommend you to just give your PayPal email address. Otherwise, you cannot post your job, your gig on this website. Okay, so this is the same. So I just post it. Okay, and just click on this activate PayPal account. Okay, so guys, it might show you some errors, so don't worry, just click on back and do it regularly. Okay, just click on this, because this error is obvious. I'll show you that a confirmation link is sent on your email address, so don't worry if you get this type of thing, and I'll show you guys confirmation link. I'm not skipping any part, guys. I'm not skipping any part. So you can see, guys, you can see obviously it is showing you the error, but it will show you a confirmation eventually. Okay, just click on this confirmation, because guys there is some backend problem which is happening. You can see confirmation email address. Okay, so don't get bogged down that sir, it is not working. So just click on this account section and you can see this activated. Okay, I have not skipped any part, guys. I have not skipped any single part. Okay, so now what I need to do, guys, just click on the start selling. Okay, and now you can post your job, post your gig on this very own website. Okay, so what do I need to, just I need to offer a title. So for that, guys, I just show you how much services people are offering on this website. Okay, just type in SEO. Okay, before we type sell our gig, I just want to show you how much people have actually earned. So if I take this person's example, so you can see, guys, 172 likes, and you all obviously know this thing, guys. The people who gave reviews are actually less who are buying this service. Okay, so you can see per person he is offering, he is getting $20. Okay, so if I just open my calculator, online calculator, okay, and just want to show you guys that how much they are earning. You can see $20 into how much it is, let me just see, 172. Okay, 172 into 172. Okay, minimum $3,440 he has earned by just offering this simple service SEO. Okay, and you can see, guys, it's absolutely amazing. Why can't you do? Okay, and I'll show you, guys, and you can see, guys, this person has actually gave 1,776 and he's offering $37 per person. Okay, so it's amazing, guys, it's amazing. Okay, you can also offer the same type of service. You can see, guys, 1,673, and people are actually less here. Okay, so you can also offer them the best service. I'll show you step by step. Okay, so what do you need to do, guys? Just click on the start selling and type your title. Okay, whatever service you are giving. So SEO service, you can give SEO service, and you can give YouTube SEO and Google ranking SEO. Okay, so this is a example that I want to show you, guys. Okay, so so what is the price that you can offer, guys? Okay, how much price you can offer? So in the beginning, I just want to tell you, guys, just put it $9.9. Okay, this is fine. Okay, it's a way how we can get more job. Okay, just a technique. So $9.9 I just gave, and you need to select an image. Okay, so just come up here on Google and just type SEO. Okay, SEO, or for marketing place, it's taken by default, and you can get this image. Okay, just click on this save image as, and you can just download it on your desktop. Okay, so I quickly show you this. So I just come up here and just click on this SEO. Okay, so this is the image that I have selected. Okay, so what are the service tags that you can give? So I just gave SEO, YouTube SEO, Google SEO. So with separated commas you can offer it. Okay, with separated commas you can offer it, this. Okay, so YouTube link, if you have, you can give. Categories, you should select SEO, and in subcategories you can select, guys, keyword research. Okay, so now you ask me a question that what do we need to write description. So before that, guys, before we write the description, I just want to tell you that what tool for SEO we should offer. Okay, we do not know anything about SEO. Okay, so what type of service how can we offer? So this is a website, guys, SME Rush. Okay, so this website will offer you guys absolutely amazing keyword searches, and guys this website will offer you free trial. Okay guys, at initial stages you can get 30-day free trial if you just come up on this website with my link. Okay, I just gave the link in the description box. If you come up on this website with my link, you are getting 30 days free trial of this tool. Okay, of this SEO tool. Okay, free trial. Otherwise guys, if you manually come up here, you are getting 7-day trial. So I just want to recommend you to come up with my link on this website, and this will offer you guys great keywords. Okay, you do not have to do anything. You just type the keyword that others are offering. Okay, let us suppose technology. Okay, technology, and just click on this free trial and just sign up with your Google account. Okay, and it will show you automatically. You just need to sign up with Google account, and that's it. Okay, that's simple guys. So what do it show? You can see guys, it will show you various kind of list of keywords. Okay, which will give you insight that how much amount of keywords we can offer to others. Okay, to our clients. Okay, you do not have to search anything. This tool will automatically generate a list. It will automatically generate a graph, and you can see guys, you can automatically give them the instances that sir, these are certain keywords that I offer you, and I can show you how to generate a good amount of traffic by just posting my keywords. Okay, so guys, your client don't know what tool you are using. He thought that you are a professional SEO trainer, but actually what you are doing, you are getting paid for using a tool. Okay, so guys, if you get some 1,000 services that you can give, you can buy this software as well. Okay, because guys, it will offer you 30-day free trial. Just have a look and just give some services on this freelancer website, and then what you can do, you can buy this software as well. Okay, I just want to recommend you to have a look on this 30-day free trial, and then you can offer this service. Okay, so now what do you need to give in the description? Okay, just type services. Okay, services. Okay, on one side, first point that you can give is from this tool as well. Okay, you can see all types of keyword research. Just copy this thing. Okay, just copy this thing, and simply you just need to paste it. Okay, here. Okay, just do some management. Okay, and second service that you can offer, guys, what it is, you can see these are certain matrix density. Okay, you do not have to, guys, if you give these kind of descriptions, the people will understand that you are a professional. Okay, you are a professional SEO product manager or so, who is actually offering a great amount of service on this website. Okay, so you just need to come up here, just select the 3 services. You can see, copy this thing and just paste it over here. Okay, just paste it over, you can see, just paste it over here. Okay, so you can see this thing. Okay guys, so these are the 3 services that I can offer. So what do? I do not have to do anything. I don't know about these kind of things. So this tool will automatically give me the all of these research. Okay, you just need to sign up, and you just need to enter the keyword like this, and just enjoy the free trial. Okay, if you come up with my link. So instructions, guys, very important, guys, very important instructions. 2 instructions you should pay attention to. Okay, to 50% advance payment, 50% advance payment. Okay, and 50% payment after successful completion of project. Oh, I have did a spelling mistake. Completion of project. Okay guys, this is first thing. Okay, description of the project. Okay, description of the project. So give a description of the project and 50% advance payment and 50% payment after the successful completion of the project. Okay, these are the two instructions that you need to give to your clients, guys. It's very important to be professional right now. Okay, so you might ask me a question that, sir, who are giving me this? Okay, don't worry guys, these are the things that needs to be important. Okay, these are some policies that a freelancer should endeavor. Okay, so guys, at starting you just offer 24-hour delivery. It's very important guys, because guys, what do I need to do? If you have generated a good amount of stars, okay, you can even alter it. Okay, you can if you are having a set of 50 stars, then you can give a duration of 2 days or max to max 3 days. Okay, but for right now guys, you are new to this website, so I just need to give you a detail that try to give the product within 24 hours. Okay, this is very important for you to initiate on the initial stages of freelancing. Okay, these kind of things guys, no one is telling you. Okay, because these are the tricks that no one can apply. Okay, so what do you need to do guys? That's it. So what do you need to do? You just need to click on this save button. Okay, so wait for this, and your gig is ready. You can see guys, my gig is ready. This is my posture. These are the services that I can offer, and eventually guys, within few hours or days, I can get my first payment. Okay, start receiving my clients day by day. You can see guys, these are the things that people pay more attention to. 1 day guaranteed. Okay, so what do I need to do guys? Have I do anything wrong? Have I do anything wrong? No guys, I can use this tool. I just obviously continuously gave you more description guys. You have seen the Quora, okay, eBay, Philips. So these are the branded companies which use this tool for their search engine optimization. So I want you guys to come up here, start your free trial with my link, sign up here, and just do amazing things. Okay guys, so this is very important for you to understand the things, and just enjoy your services, enjoy giving services and earn money. Okay, so this is it for this video. I see you in the next video guys. Happy earning.